Hey guys, how's it going? So in part 3, I'll be installing the Renthal RC high bins. So I shouldn't need any risers. So quite, as you can see, quite a big bend on them. Also some case savers from B&B again. And then my DIY headlight shield that I made a while back for the last DR. So let's get into it. Alright, so it's the following day. Bars have been installed. If I can just roughly line the old bars up, you can see the kind of height difference we're talking about. I don't know if you can tell on video, but they're definitely a lot taller, so I don't need any bar risers. Alright guys, so that should do for part 3. Looking good so far. And I shall catch you guys on the next one. Cheers guys, catch you later.